You are welcome to online lectures with Fametante the School Boy. Today we'll take a look at mathematics and we'll solve questions on the topic polygons. Polygons. So we solve questions that border on the interior angles of a polygon and exterior angles of a polygon. So I will write the questions, then we'll take it off from there. Question 1 says, our question source is from course book on mathematics for year 1 National Certificate in Education as compiled by NTI, National Teachers Institute, Kaduna. So the question says, on this page 107, we have the example 1. It says, number 1, okay. Sorry, I made a mistake in the spelling of polygons. Polygons, sorry. Polygons, not polygons. Polygons. So this live lecture is free of charge. You can always come on my page to join these lectures. Is free of charge. If you have any question, feel free to drop it as a comment and I will attend to the question. Then if what you are doing here interests you and you want to support, feel free to support. Chat me up, DM me, and I will send you the account details. You can also buy coins, send us coins so as to keep this going. I don't want to charge any money for these tutorials because there are people out there that don't have the financial capacity to pay for it. So I decided to depend on the donations from people to be able to achieve this purpose. All right, let's go. Number 1 says each angle of a regular polygon is 168 degrees. How many sides has the polygon? Number 2 says what type of regular polygon has 30 degrees as an exterior angle? For us to be able to solve these questions, we will look at the formula for sum of the angles, interior angles of a regular polygon. That's what we use to solve the number 1. Then on number 2, we also use that for what? Exterior angle of a regular polygon. By a regular polygon, we mean that the angles are equal. For this one now, is a regular polygon. All the interior angles are what? Equal. So when you see 168 degrees, that means all interior angles are equal. But we want to calculate how many sides this polygon has. So let's take on this number 1. Solution. Solution. Now, the formula says that the sum of the interior angle of a regular polygon is simply what? Is 2n minus 4 right angles. The sum of what? Interior what? Angles is 2n minus 4 right angles. Sorry. Right angles. Of course, by right angle, you know what a right angle is. A right angle is 90 degrees. So in other words, is 2n minus 4 times what? 90 degrees. This is the implication. Now, but we are asked, we are told that each angle of a regular polygon is 168. How many sides does how many sides does it have? We have this 168 as what? As what? One of the what? Angles in question. One of the what? Angles in question. Now, but we have n-sided. We don't know the number of sides. Now, what we now do is this. Because these angles are equal, so we'll do 168 times the number they are, which we don't know. We can designate it with anything. So we use n because we are talking about n sides. So that means here should be what? 168 degrees n. 168 n what? Degrees. This is the sum of these angles. Because each angle is 168. So you have 168 n degrees. So our target is to find this n. So we open up the bracket and solve this. So here we now have 168n is equal to, use this 90 to multiply everything inside this bracket. 90 times 2n is 180n minus 90 times 4 is what? 360. So we collect lighters. So we simply say, do this coming to this side. We either move this to this side, or you simply move this to this side. Any of the ways. So let's do 168 and minus 180 what? N is equal to what? Minus 360. So this is now equal to 168 minus 180 is minus 12. Is minus 12n. Minus 12n is now equal to what? Minus 360 degrees. We divide both sides by 12, minus 12. So n minus 12n over minus 12 is equal to minus 360 degrees over what? Minus 12. Minus 12 cancel minus 12. Minus 12 can divide 360. So we have 360 divided by 12 will give you 12 divided 36 alone is 3. So we have 30. Hope I'm correct. So we have 30. So n is equal to what? 30 sides. Wow. 30 sides. Hope I'm correct. So let's see. This minus this is 12. This is 360. So it's 30 what? Sides. 30 sides. 30 sides. So let's check our answer. We have here 168. If you multiply 168 by 30, what will it give you? If you put 30 here, subtract 4 from it, and multiply by 9, what will it give you? This one alone will give you give you 60. 60 minus 4. So here we have 60 minus 4 is 60 minus 4 is 54. Because 30 times 2 is 60 minus 4 is 56 times what? 90. Here is 168 times what? N, which is 30. Are they the same thing? Are they equal? Are they equal? Let's see. Let's make here to be 30 to be 90. That means we have to multiply here by 30 by 3 and divide here by 3. If you divide 168 by 3, what will it give you? Give you 56. 56 because 1651. So it's correct. So the answer is correct. It's 30 what? There are 30 what? Sides. So the polygon has 30 sides. Now let's go. If you have any question, please feel free to call this line. I will attend to you. The number is 081 let me write it here. 081 3868 2003. Just call and I'll answer your question live here. Alright, now let's go to the next question. The next question says, the next question says, what type of regular polygon has 30 degrees as an exterior angle? What type of regular polygon has 30 degrees as an exterior angle? Regular polygon, as I said here, they have the angles are what? Equal. Now, but some of the exterior angles of a regular polygon is this. Some of the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 4 right angles. 4 right angles. A right angle is 90 degrees. So 4 right angles is 4 times 90, which is 360 degrees. So some of the angles, exterior angles of a regular polygon is 360 degrees. So this is now equal to what? 360 degrees. But we are told that one of the angles is 30 degrees. One of the angles is what? 30 degrees. Since all the angles are what? Equal, we designate that the number of sides or number of angles there as n. So that means 30n is equal to what? 360 degrees. Because the angles 30n degrees, the sum 30n degrees is equal to what? 360 degrees. Now our target is to find n, and this n will give us the number of sides of this regular polygon. So let's divide through by 30 to get n. So you now have 30n over what? 30 is equal to what? 360 degrees over what? 30. So 30 divided 30, n is now equal to what? Divide through, we have 30 divided 360, 30 degrees, because here, this is the degree, hope you know. Remember, 30 degrees divide 360 degrees, we have what? 12. So there are 12 sides. 12 what? Sides. So this regular polygon has 12 sides. If this polygon has 12 sides, what does it imply? What this implies is that it is this type of polygon we call, remember the one with 3 sides. The one with 3 sides is called what is it called again? It's called triangle. Polygon with 3 sides is called triangle. The one with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. The one with 5 sides is called pentagon. The one with 6 sides is called hexagon. The one with 7 sides is called heptagon. The one with 8 sides is called octagon. 9 sides is called nonagon. 10 sides is called decagon, and so on. Now the one with 12 sides is called duodecagon. Duodecagon. So let's stop here for now. So this is 12 sides, and the type of polygon is what? Duodecagon. 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 That's the name. Duodecagon. So this is answer to question number 2. As I said before now, if you have any question, please feel free to call the number on the board here, and I will attend to your questions. So I want us to look for more questions before we call it a day. So this is on decagon 11, then 12 is duodecagon. All right. So let's pick another question again and look at it. Every other question we are going to solve here is built upon this number of sides formula for some of the interior angles and some of the exterior angles. So let's see how far we can go on that. Okay, there's another question here. It says, let me write it down. If you have any question, feel free to call this line and I will attend to your question. Sorry, it seems I have a question coming. Okay. A missed call, okay. Sorry, I have a sorry. Sorry, let me attend to this. Hello? Yeah, good evening. How are you? Okay, sorry, I only called to inform you that the tutorial, the online tutorial is free of charge. So, but the point is there is that you know, I don't want to charge anybody so that those that cannot afford it to be able to, but you are free to support the vision and the mission. Am I communicating? So whatever you are going to give, just feel free. You can drop it on the account sent to you. Even in TikTok now, lecture is going on in TikTok now, mathematics. So you can come online, join the TikTok. You can send coin to support it, but we wouldn't want to charge anybody anything. Yeah. All right. I'm going to take. Maybe we can talk later. I am live now. Okay. Okay, sorry, you meant on site? No on site. Later. All right. Okay, so a hexagon has the following. Okay. Has the following interior angles. Y degrees, y plus 10, degrees, okay, the question says a hexagon has the following interior angles. A hexagon has the following interior angles: y degrees, y plus 10 degrees, y plus 10 degrees, y plus 20 degrees, y plus 30 degrees, y plus 40 degrees, and y plus 50 degrees. Calculate y. Calculate y. Okay, first of all, you look at this is hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. Now, these are the interior angles of this hexagon. They are 6 in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 in number. 6 angles. And each of them has y. But there are 6 sides. 6 angles, 6 sides. So let's go back to the formula. Sum of the angles. Sum of the interior angles. Interior what? Angles of a regular polygon is equal to 2n minus 4 right angles, that is times 90 degrees. Hexagon is a regular polygon, so that means n is what? 6. So we substitute n for c for n here. So but the sum, that means you have to, the sum of the interior angles. So we add all these angles, these are the interior angles, we add them up and equate them to this. So let me create more space. So we now have, okay, let me add them up. We now have y plus 10 plus y plus 20 plus y plus 30 plus y plus 40 plus y plus 50 is equal to what? This. Remember 2, n is already 6 hexagons, so 2 times 6 minus 4 all times what? 90 degrees. So let's solve this. How many y's are? These things are plus, so we can easily add them up straight and without wasting time. How many y's are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6y. So 6y plus, let's add the numbers. 10 plus 20 is 30. Plus 30 is 60. Plus 40 is 100. Plus 50 is 150. Let's do it again. 10 plus 20, 30. Plus 30, 60. Plus 40, 100. Plus 50, 150. So 6y plus 150 is equal to 2 times, we open this bracket, 2 times 6 is 12. So we have 12 minus what? Okay, let me go straight. Okay, no, let me take it step by step. Times what? 90 degrees. So that means 6y plus 150 is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 times what? 90 degrees. So let's multiply. 8 times 90 is what? 8 times 90 is what? Remember that 4 times 90 is 360. Let me come up here. Remember that 4 times 90 is what? 360. If 4 times 90 is 360, that means 8 times 90 is double of 4 times 90, which is 720. So we have 6y plus 150 is equal to what? 720. Our target is to find y. So 6y is now equal to what? 720 minus 150. 720 minus 150 is what? Let's go. 720 minus 100. 720 minus 100. Wait, is there any error here? Hope there is no error. This is 6. Hexagon is 6, okay. Because the figure I'm getting here. Okay, let's continue. 720 minus 100 is 620, minus 620 minus 50 is 570. So here we have 570. So 6y is 570. That means y is equal to what? We will divide both sides by 6. 570 divided by 6. Okay. Let's cancel out. So 3 goes, we have 2. 3 goes here. Okay, we have 190. So 190 divided by 2, we have 95. Okay. So 570 divided by 60 is 95 because 3 go here, we have 2, 3, 1. 1 remainder 2 times the base, which is 10. 2 times 10 is 20 plus 7 is 27. 27 divided by 3 again is 9. So 0 divided by 3 will still give you what? 0. So it's 190 divided by 2. Because 2 is here already. So it's 95 what? 95 what? Degrees. So y is what? 95 degrees. So these angles are simply 95. 95 plus 10 is 105. If you want to bring out the angles, we have 95. 95 plus 10, 105. 95 plus 20, 115. 95 plus 30, 125. 95 plus 40, 135. Then 95 plus 50, 140. So these are the angles of this hexagon. So the y is what? 95 degrees. Y is 95 degrees. This question this thing nearly dealt with me now. I was confused. What's going on? 570 divided by 6. I was playing on the board. Alright, so let's go to the next question. Let me write out the question. Please, if you have any question, feel free to call and I will attend to your question. This mathematics can embarrass someone if you're not careful. And this is live. Okay, so another question. Stay from the same source. We have the question says find Okay, the question says, find an exterior angle for a regular 16-sided polygon. Then next one says, what is the size of each of its interior angle? What is the size of its interior angle? What is the size of its interior angle? Alright, let's solve this question. The same formula. The sum of the exterior angle of a regular polygon, because this is regular, 16-sided. The sum of the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 4 right angles. So 4 right angles is 360, 4 times 90 degrees, which is 360 degrees. So to solve this question, you simply call the angle anything. We already have 16 sided. So we multiply, you can call, let the angle be y. You can say, let the angle be y, or x. Let's use x. Let the angle in question, let the exterior solution, let the exterior angle be what? X. We have 16 sides, so we multiply x by 16. So 16x is now equal to 4 right angles. Remember, I have explained 4 right angles, so it's 360. 16x is equal to what? 360 degrees. 16x is equal to what? 360 degrees. So that means x is now equal to what? 360 degrees over what? 16. If we divide through, we have that this is 180 over what? Over 8. If we continue, we have this is tending towards fraction again. Okay, let's see how far we can go. We have 90 over what? 4. I'm breaking this thing down for because a lot of people are watching this. Some that are still having issues with calculations. That's why I'm taking it step by step. I don't want to jump. So let's go. 180 over 8. So we have 90 over what? 4. If you divide again, because 2 is going 2. If you divide again by 2, you have 45 over what? 2. This is 22.5. 22.5 degrees. How did you arrive? This is 16 sided. I hope my question is correct. 16 sided. So 16s is 360. If you divide 360 by 16, it will give us 22.5. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Once 360 divided by 2 is 180. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 180 divided by 2 is 90. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 2 divided by 45 is what? 22.5. That's the answer we got. $22.5. Now, what it means is that each of this exterior angle is what? 22.5 degrees. Now, the next question says, what is the size of each of its interior angle? Remember, these two formulas are very important. For exterior, we have for interior, sum of interior what? Interior what? Angles. We have 2n minus, please note this formula, please, times 90 degrees. Sum of what? Exterior angles. We have 4 times what? 90 degrees. So we are used this one here because the sum 16 sides. So you multiply the 16, that each of this angle by 16 and equate it to 360. That's what this one we used. For this internal, we are going to use this one. So let's go. This is the formula. Let's go. So for internal, we have, remember, it said it's the same 16. So multiply x by 16 again. We call it x. Let the internal be y. Let the internal angle be what? Y. So let's put it here. 16y is now equal to what? 2. Remember that this n is 16. Remember that n is what? 16. 6 times what? 2 times what? 16 minus 4 times what? 90. So 16y is now equal to 2 times 16 is what? 32. 32 minus 4 will give us 28. So we simply do 28 times what? 90. So y is now equal to, we'll divide both sides by 16. 28 times 90 all over what? 16. 28 times 90 over what? 16. So we cancel out and get our what? Y. Size of each of the interior angle. So here is 2 times 16, 32 minus 4, 28, 28 times 90. So let's divide 2. Let's break it down step by step. Basically, this is 4. Okay, let me take it step by step. Even though it will take time. This is 16, right? So let's start with 2. This is 2 is 8. 2 here is what? 45. 2 again we have 4. 2 here is what? 14. 2 again we have 2. 2 here is what? 7. So 7 times 45, we divide whatever we get by 2. If you do 45 times 7, 7 times 5 is what? 35. Put 5, carry 3 over here. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 4, 28. So 315. So here is what? 315 over 2. So if you divide 315 by 2, it will give us roughly 300 alone. Okay, let's say 312, 310. Let's say, okay, 300 alone will give us 150. We have 15 on top. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So we have 157.5 because 157 is 314 times 314. So we have 157.5. So it's what? 157.5 degrees. So the sum of the size of each of the interior angles is what? 157.5 degrees. That's the size of the what? Interior angles. Please, if you have any question, feel free to ask, and I will call this line on the board and I'll answer your question. Okay. So I think we'll stop here for today. I think we actually solved a handful of questions. We'll stop here for today. We'll continue next time. Please, I welcome you to, this is our maiden online lectures, live lectures on TikTok. Henceforth, we'll be here live. Always come around to check the lectures we have for the day. We'll be here live to attend to you. to answer questions, solve questions, and do normal lectures on different subjects: chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, and what have you. So always come around on this page for information as regards tutorials. As I said when I started this lecture, that this is free of charge. We know that people don't value free things, but even at that, I know from my experience in teaching, some people who truly want to learn, but because of financial constraints, they will shy away. So I said no, that I must start something like this online. This thing need money to fund it, but I want to depend on your donation. Any amount of money you can send to the account, chat me up, I will send you the account details. You can also send as a coin or gift through this live video, and God will bless you as you do so. Please, if you have any question, maybe a question you want us to solve, a question you've been trying to solve, we cannot attend to every question at the same time, because this is a world, this is the whole world in your palm. If the whole world starts sending questions, we will not be able to finish it. But then those we can answer, we can always come online to answer them. Please feel free, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Please subscribe, follow this page. Follow this page. Just hit the plus button and the follow for information regarding our lectures. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is From Eternity the School, but just check my profile. You'll get the information you need concerning different social media platforms. And God will bless you. Please share this, share this, share this. We have started and no going back. Money or no money, God will see us through. No going back, we've started. So this is the maiden lecture, as I said. And from tomorrow, more lectures will be coming up. God bless you as you do so. Please, every Saturday, 7 a.m. to 7:10 a.m., I organize academic competition I titled Academic Battle with From Eternity the Schoolboy. It features different subjects, a subject per Saturday. The one that's coming up on this Saturday, Saturday being this Saturday being 13th January 2024, is English language battle. If you check my post, you'll see the flyer there. Registration ends 12 midnight tomorrow. Please try as much as possible to register for the academic competition. It's English language. The title is English Language Battle 2.0 with From Eternity the Schoolboy. The topics to cover are on the flyers. Please share this, and people you don't know, someone out there may need this information. And if you look to the flyer, you see that one is also depend on donations from people, because prizes are given to the best participants. We call them the heroes. The information you need is there. And registration for this battle is free of charge. You're not paying anything. You're paying nothing. Your own is to register and write and partake in the competition. If you emerge victorious, your prize will be sent to you. God bless you. See you next time.